So in this video we're going to have a look at setting up our automatic tool changer on our JWEI JCUT. So the automatic tool changer lives here on our table. What I need to do first to open it up is I need to go to JWEI I need to go to change router down here. So when I go to change router, I'm then going to go to my tool magazine cover. I'm going to click on that. That's going to open up the cover for my automatic tool changer. I'm then going to click on the button below it that says tool magazine seat. That's then going to lift up the seat, revealing the positions here. So we've got 5 standard positions here. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So these ones all take these sort of router bits with the adapter on them like that. Now when I push them in, I'm going to push in, push into place and then make sure they're nice and straight. If they're not straight, then when it comes to pick it up, obviously it's not going to pick it up very nice. So I can put whatever I like in those first 5 positions. I normally set it so I've got a 3mm in position 1, a 4mm in position 2, a 6mm in position 3, and then I might alternate between maybe another 4mm and a 6mm in those ones. Then when we go back to these 3 positions, so positions 6, 7 and 8, these are for the router bits with the collars on them. So these are for any non-standard JWEI router bit or just JWEI router bits that don't have the adapter on as standard. So again, you can put whatever you like in there. So we've got an engraving bit there, J702, and then we've got a diamond polish router bit in the last one. And again, when you push them in, you need to make sure that they seat really nicely like that. And that's your positions in there. So we don't need to tell the machine that we're setting anything up in here. We just need to know what positions are in what. So you can put your stickers up the side up here to say that this position has a certain one in and so forth. But it's always worth checking these before you start any router jobs, especially router jobs that have got multiple bit changes in them as well. Now the last position is our cleaning position. So that's going to blow air onto our collet and it's going to clean off any swarf that might be around the collet, which might hinder the router bit going in correctly. So it's always going to go to that one first and then it will go to your position, your chosen position. On the actual machine itself, we have a sensor there, which is going to sense if there is a router bit in there or not. Once we're done with that, we can come back over to here. You can either click seat and then cover, or we can press cancel, and then that's going to shut our cover back up for us and drop the seat. So that's our automatic tool changer setup on our JWEI JCUT cutter.